Hello class 10 ICSE warriors. In the previous video we have already completed HCl and its property from the chapter study of compounds. Today we are going to start a very important compound, ammonia, and its compounds. Ammonia is extremely important for your ICSE class 10 board examination point of view. So ammonia. Introduction. Molecular formula NH3. Compound bond covalent bond. Compound polar covalent. Atomic mass 17. Forms of ammonia: gaseous ammonia, NH3. Liquid ammonia, it is liquefied ammonia. Liqueur ammonia is a saturated solution of ammonia, also called 880 ammonia because its relative density is 0.880. Laboratory preparation of ammonia gas from ammonium chloride NH4Cl. Reactant NH4Cl and CaOH whole twice. Calcium hydroxide. Reaction 2NH4Cl plus CaOH whole twice give rise to form CaCl2 plus 2H2O plus 2NH3. Collection downward displacement of air. Test. Take a glass rod dipped in a HCl and show it near the mouth of the gas jar. It to produce a dense white fumes of ammonium chloride. NH3 plus HCl give rise to form NH4Cl, that it forms dense white fumes. Drying agent. Lumps of CaO quicklime. Precautions. The round water funnel lifted in a slating because the flask is tied in such a way that the water formed during the reaction does not trickle back into the heated flask and thus break it. Reasons. Ratio of reactant is taken 2:3 by weight. Higher ratio by weight of alkali. Reason because it may counteract the loss of sublimation of NH4Cl. Ammonium nitrate and ammonium nitride are not used for the preparation of ammonia gas in laboratory. Reason because these explosive in nature. NH4NO3 give rise to in heat N2O plus 2H2O. Nitrous oxide, it will form water vapor. NH4NO2 heat give rise from N2 plus 2. Why ammonia gas is not collected over water? Because it is highly soluble in water. From metal nitrides, reactant Mg and N2 manganese nitride, ALN ammonium nitride with warm water. Reaction Mg3N2 plus 6H2O give rise from 3 MgOH whole twice plus 2 NH3 ALN plus 3H2O warm water give rise from ALOH whole thrice plus NH3. Preparation of ammonium solution NH4OH. It is prepared by inverted funnel arrangement. Reason because it prevents back suction, provides large surface area for absorption of ammonia gas. Manufacture of ammonia, Haber's process. Reactants hydrogen and nitrogen. Volume hydrogen is to nitrogen ratio 3:1. Nitrogen is to hydrogen 1 is to 3. Favorable conditions, temperature 450 degrees Celsius to 500 degrees Celsius, pressure above 200 atmospheric temperature. Catalyst, finely divided iron. Promoter, molybdenum or Al2O3. Source of reactant, H2 from natural gas or water gas. N2, fractional distillation of liquefied air. Reaction, N2 plus 3H2 give rise to form reversible reaction 2NH3 in the presence of Fe or Mn 450 degrees Celsius to 500 degrees Celsius. Ammonia is separated from uncombined nitrogen and hydrogen. First, liquefaction. Second, absorption in water. The percentage formation of ammonia is 15%. It can be increased by the recirculation on combined hydrogen and nitrogen, and it produces 98% of ammonia. Nitrogen N2 from fractional distillation of liquefied air reaction N2 plus 3H2 gives rise to form 2NH3 in 200 atmospheric pressure 450 degrees Celsius to 500 degrees Celsius. Ammonia is separated from uncombined nitrogen and hydrogen by liquefaction. Second, absorption in water. Percentage formation of ammonia is 50%. It can be increased by recirculation of uncombined nitrogen and hydrogen and produces 98% of ammonia. Chemical properties of ammonia. Burning with O2. Ammonia plus oxygen gives rise to form nitrogen plus water. These two you have to balance the equation. So the color of flame is bluish green. First and second, catalytic oxidation of ammonia. Ammonia plus oxygen gives rise to form NO plus H2O. Also it is in the balanced form. No further oxidized to produce NO2. 2NO plus O2 give rise to form 2NO2. Reddish brown color of NO2 gas is evolved. Third, used as reducing agent. Reduction of metallic oxide CO and PbO, CO plus ammonia in the presence of heat give rise to form Cu plus N2 plus H2O. You have to balance this equation. This we have already done. By mistake I add this slide again. One important note, concentrated H2SO4 and P2O5 and CaCl2 in fused form are good drying agent but are not used for the drying ammonia. Because they react with ammonia, they will form chemical equations. So ammonia plus concentrated H2SO4 will form ammonium sulfate. Then ammonia plus P2O5 plus water will form NH4 whole thrice PO4. This is combination reaction. So ammonia plus CaCl2 gives rise to form CaCl2 dot 4NH3. This is addition reaction. Test for ammonia gas and NH4 plus solution. Ammonia contracts with HCl concentrated and produce dense white fumes of ammonium chloride. Ammonium salts give brown color or precipitated. Make sure to revise all the important chemical equations properly. Practice writing them without looking your book, because in the exam equations are very important. So thank you. So in the next video we will do Another two chapters of study of compounds. Subscribe for more.